Okay, we are here at the waterfall. There's a little bit of runoff comes down here from the lake and goes on down there. So let's go on down and see where it goes to. Hey, El, come on. Hey, Burke. I'm gonna leave Beethoven up here in the wagon. Stay here, buddy. It's steep, so stay here and we'll be right back, okay? Yeah, this is pretty nice. Nice little waterfall there. Let me step down here. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. All right, boys. Ready? Let's head on back, get Beethoven, and we'll head on back. We'll take you with us. There's a path that you got to come over the dam and then down this path to get here. So we'll head on back. I probably could have put the sun shade on for Beethoven because it's a little sunny today. What time is it? It's probably somewhere around 5 or 6, I guess. We ate dinner and then, come on, buddy. You good? Okay. Yeah, we ate dinner before we started down here, and it was a fairly long walk, so I wonder if the boys are going to want to all ride in the wagon going back. Maybe. But that was the waterfall. Hey, bud. And here's the lake up here. You okay? Getting rocked back there? A little bit of a rough road. Okay. Let's look over here. Here's the water coming, kind of a spillover from the lake. Goes on down there to the waterfall. Okay, we're with you, buddy. Watch your toes. You okay, bud? Okay. All right, so here's the lake, and we're gonna walk back across the dam. It's an earthen dam. There's a couple boats out there fishing. One here, and there was a second one when we came across. Probably went up further or went in. Hey, boys. Yeah, we'll look around the countryside here. I think it's pretty much mostly ranch land around here. I've got the leads for Elton and Berkeley in case I need to hook them up, but they did pretty good on the way down here. We had a couple cars go by us, and they came over and stayed with me while they passed, so We're doing good, huh, buddy? Yeah, this is an earthen dam, and it's got a rock face on the water side. I guess to keep it from eroding. Hey, you want to ride? Your dad's way out there. What? You get so close to that wheel, buddy. It's going to catch you one of these days. He wants to walk right beside me, but that puts him in close area to the wheel of the wagon, and he drifts back a little bit and almost gets caught by the wheel. You okay? All right. Hey, if you haven't caught before in any of my videos, when you hear me sniffling and mouth breathing, that's because I have bad allergies all year long. And of course the springtime's the worst. You're silly, Burke. How you doing, Beethoven? You watching out where we're coming from? So over in those trees there is where the waterfall was. Let's look out over this way. Okay. All right, buddy. We're getting a lot of after dinner traffic here. Okay. Sign says no parking anytime. And this sign says no vehicles allowed. Okay, buddy, we'll get you up here. Oh yeah, let's get up on the hard packed here. Okay, you good? Okay, little smoother ride, huh? Hey, buddy. Oh, we just stopped in a shady area here. There's the dam over there. So we stopped here. This is a little pull out. Got a few trees around it, and it's a semicircle. Comes around from the main road, and it's got a fire ring. So I think we're going to find that there's quite a few more fire rings than I thought. So there's probably, you know, more camping area here than I originally thought. If you look at the map, it only looks like there's a couple spots, but it's looking like there's a lot more. Beethoven looked like he wanted to get out and walk around and maybe take a little potty break, so that's why we came down here. It's nice and shaded. That's our new big trash article, a mask, face mask. I'm not going to pick it up because I don't have anything to really put it in, and I don't want to carry it. Good boys. Beethoven's taking off. He said, I've had enough of this riding. Let's go pick him up there, huh? Okay. Hey, buddy. He's gonna walk back. He's tired of riding, I guess. Hey, how about letting me get you back in here, okay? Yeah, here we go. Here. Okay, we're back in. Ready to go, guys? We got a blind curve coming up, so hopefully nobody comes flying around there. Speed limit's supposed to be 25, so not everybody listens to it though. There's been a couple pickups that come flying through here while we were back at camp, luckily. The boys were, right down with me. But I don't know what people think they're doing, Come out to an area like this and then trying to show off, flying through it. Doesn't make sense to me. Elton's taking the lead and taking us down here. This is the turnout to all the fishing piers. They've got several of these earthen fishing piers out into the water. Not sure what that is. Maybe some kind of fish feeding thing or something. I don't know. Some kind of monitor. I don't know. But there's a fire ring right there and a picnic table, so I guess this could be a camping spot, eh? Some geese. Hi, geese. He's not going to bother you. Come on, Burke. Oh, Berkeley's here. Elton, come on, El. Okay. So here's another fire ring here too. So let's count them up. That's 1, 2, 3 so far. Come on, bud. Picnic table. I don't see a fire ring there, but there's one up here. Come on, guys. So that's 4 fire rings. Okay, another picnic table and another fire ring, so that's 5 fire rings. There's a vault toilet right up here. Another fire ring, so that's what, 5, 6. Here's a boat launch, and there's another one of those things out there, whether it's a monitor or feeder, I'm not sure. Parking space for boaters. Stop aquatic hitchhikers. ProtectKansasWaters.org. Alert, this water contains zebra mussels and is classified as a designated aquatic nuisance species. Water. Don't dump bait. Dispose of unused bait on land or in an approved receptacle. Okay. Number 7 fire ring. There's a table over there, and that's the one that I saw that I thought was the designated campsite. So that's 8 fire rings. That slab there, I wonder what that, maybe that used to be a toilet type thing or something. Don't know. Hi, boys. Okay, so there's 8 fire rings down there, several tables. Okay, so I think we're going to stay up here instead of detouring down there, but I see a table and a fire ring, so that's 9. I see a goose. There's a pavilion down here with picnic tables in it. And somebody has a tent, a couple tents set up. Okay, I see another fire ring, that's 10. I see a couple more geese. There's another fire ring down there just to the left of the pavilion, left side of the pavilion and on back. That's, what is it, 9, 10, 11. 2 geese out in front here on the road. There's another fire ring down by that tent. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 fire rings. I'm assuming that the fire rings are areas where you could camp and you know, have a fire, because this out on the welcome board it had said that fires had to be contained within the metal fire rings. This area down here, see they've got some rocks blocking so vehicles don't go back there, but they've got it mowed very nicely back here, and there is another fire ring there. So that's number 14. Lots of open area here that you could camp. I see another fire ring down there, number 15. Then of course we've got our fire ring, that's 16, and the one down at the far end would be 17. So I count 17 fire rings. Lots of open area here to tent camp. Shadow Man's here too. Shadow Man! Sign says no vehicles allowed. That's kind of obvious. Tent camping area there, exclusively. There's the van. The boys are probably going to be worn out after this walk. It was a long one. I should have brought some water along too. I underestimated how long it was going to be. They'll sleep good tonight. Yep. Won't you, buddy? His little tongue's hanging out. If you look, try to get out of the sun there, but it's right under the sun. Let me go out there, zoom out. See that? That's a cell tower. I think that's Verizon because I've got a really good strong Verizon signal. I've only got about 50, a little over 50% AT&T, but I've got like 100% Verizon, so it's got to be that one there. It's that cell tower. Whoops. I lost him. Where'd he go? Come back. There he is. Okay. Yeah. So that's just over the hill, and it's the antennas are just peeking right over the top there at us. Okay, I'm with you. Elton's already back. He cut down the cross. I got my flannel shirt on and I'm kind of getting a little overheated here. Hello, buddy. We're coming. I locked the van up because I knew we were going to be gone for a little while, so it turned out longer than I thought. Shadow Man, hello, you came back with us. Okay. All right, touchdown. Okay, we had a good walk. We got to see the waterfall, the dam, and I'll get Mr. Beethoven out, get you guys water. Take care, have a great night, and we will talk to you later.